I love you till the day that I die. They didn't have a clue to be their final goodbye. He deployed overseas, he saved a few lives, he saved his whole platoon, but he never made it back alive. Yeah, that's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him a chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Said I love him for the rest of my life. Died doing what he loved when he made that sacrifice. Yeah, all the ones that he saved that day, they all gathered around. They all shed their tears as they laid him in the ground. Yeah, that's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him the chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Yeah, its cascade was wrapped in red, white, and blue. Yeah, they sent him off with a 21-gun salute. That's a hell of a price to pay for the freedoms we all share in the home of the brave. But I guess life ain't always fair. I bet he'd do it all again if God gave him the chance. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Please remember all the fallen ones who died for this land. Yeah, you gotta let the little things go, leave them far behind. Why a girl like her would ever want an old rusty heart like mine? Yeah, the wheels they turn across the bridges you burn. Can I save myself from another hard lesson learned? Oh, in this old ghost town where nobody why you saved my soul? Is it worth holding on to and letting go? One of these days I'm gonna get out of this town. Gonna pack my bags up and drop the hammer down from this old ghost town where nobody ever hangs around. In this old ghost town, yeah, I'm right here, still hanging around. Forever in this town, in this old ghost town. Nobody ever hangs around. In this old ghost town, yeah, I'm right here, still hanging around. Forever in this town, in this old ghost town. Where nobody ever hangs around. Forever in this town. They don't like it when you're sober. They all act just like your friend. It don't matter what they're saying. They'll never understand the music, man. They don't care about tomorrow. Can't take back what was said. 3 a.m. fighting with your lady, staying out too late once again. Lord knows it ain't easy living life the way I do, sacrificing the right decision between the honky tonks and you. between the honky-tonks and you, between the honky-tonks and you, between the honky-tonks and you, honky-tonks and you, honky-tonks and you, honky-tonks and you. I can't believe you're gone away from me. All I know is this ain't how it ought to be. All I want is you right here, shoulder to cry on or laugh over a beer. I hope you're flying high today, way above the clouds, on them golden streets I pray. 'Cause you were one of the good ones, yeah, you were one of the kind. It don't get any easier, get you off of my mind. No, I don't want you off of my mind. I can't get no relief, it just breaks my heart that you're not here. Yeah, you got me falling apart. But if you were, I know what you'd say. There's a part of me you carry every day. Hope you're flying high today, way above the clouds, on them golden streets I pray. You were one of the good ones, yeah, you were one of a kind. It don't get any easier, get you off of my mind. I don't want you off of my mind. Want you off of my mind. I hope you're flying high today, way above the clouds.